Alright, hello. Alright, alright. Welcome back to another video. I decided to do this shit. Okay. What? It's called Lasertag Massacre demo, yada yada yada, where the fuck you call it. And, yeah. I don't, this content contains violent and disturbing content not recommended for individuals sensitive to graphic violence and loud sounds. I haven't read what the fuck this means at all. I looked retro style, which I like, and I just picked it. That's all I did. That's really all I did. It's not copyright me for this music, bro. Do I get skip at least? Come on, man. I'm not gonna get it. Come on. Oh, gas station. Oh, convenience. See ya? That's what it says in the back. We're just super camping this. 1988. Camping this. What? This is unbelievable. Oh. We got 4 hours until the party and we're still far away. We can't waste a single minute. Oh, stop complaining. You guys were the ones who left everything for the last minute. Guys, relax. Ticket sales were a hit. We're about to throw the best Halloween party this town has ever seen. We'll go down, grab the drinks, and head out to the arcade. Easy. Someone explain to me again, how did you all think that throwing a party? You all think that throwing a party? Okay, that makes sense. No sense right there. In a complete abandoned place. What a good idea. Oh, okay. Fuck you. Shut up, Four Eyes. I hate this fucking type of people. He's the type of high school jock. I fucking hate him. Take it easy, babe. Give him a break, Polio. My brother just came because I insisted. Fuck us, everyone. If we get organized, each of us does our part and we'll set up everything in no time. It'll be a breeze. I hate that type. I hate those type of fucking people. Jocks, they think they're everything. They fucking think they're cool and shit. It irritates me. Fucking irritates me, man. Phew. I'm relieved. I needed to stretch my legs. You need to stretch, you just stretch your back. I will find the tank while you buy the beers and my cigarettes. And this time, don't buy the horrible mint flavored cigarettes. Is that really a flavor of cigarettes? Stop being so dramatic, man. Okay, I'm not going anywhere. These convenience stores always have weirdos at the checkout. You don't fucking know that. I need to pee. Okay. But they ain't weirdos, you just don't know them. Simple like that. Alright, I'll buy the beers, no problem. Can I play? Relax, leave it to me, Clara. Thank you. Take cigarettes to the counter, take a pack of beer to the counter. I love this. More addictive. He's been stuck on it ever since. People believe any nonsense they hear out there. Yeah, you were right about that. I'm not talking to you. What the fuck? We can use this. Can I open? No, I can't. I hate you. You're the type of motherfucker that... I'm even fucking taller than you. You wanna fight? Come on. Anyway. The hell is this? Oh. Duh, fucking barrel. Before we go inside, let's check this fucking truck. Never mind. Anything behind the store? Okay, never mind. I thought there was something behind the store. My bad. Alright, let's go inside. Alright, take cigarettes to the counter. Where would I even find those at? Oh, right there, obviously. Take a pack of beer to the counter. Oh, it actually tells you. That's cool. Milk. Chocolate. Why are these stores open? You planning to get robbed? That's for that woman's bath? Oh. Okay. This is beer. And they're out. Okay. Good afternoon. Where are the beer packs? In that fridge over there in the corner. Thanks. Thank you. So they sit in the fridge. They don't have fridges at stores like, well, you know what I mean. Alright, shut that. Where the hell would I find the cigarettes at? You know where the cigarettes are? What kind of person has a pool at a store? Okay. Cornstarch. Oh. Yep. Easy as done it. Good evening. That's all. What? What a disturbing face. What the fuck is that? Oh, that crackhead robbed a tire shop around here some time ago. Since then, police have to put up these posters. They say he's still on the loose. Observing. Especially at night. You guys better stay alert. I'll keep an eye out. Do you need a bag? No need. Here is the money. Thank you. Take care. This is like some Texas Chainsaw Massacre bullshit. Because we're in the middle of fucking the fields, and we're gonna be arriving at a meat market, and we're gonna get fucking attacked by a guy with a chainsaw. Alright, let's go, it's time. Whoa, Alan is not here yet. Have you seen him, Lucas? No, I haven't. I didn't see him. I'll give you 1 minute to find that nerd, or we'll go without him. Really? I guarantee you he's in here. Alan, are you there? He's dead. I'll open the door. Oh no. Don't do it. Oh fucking Christ! Bro. You daydreaming, buddy? Where have you been, idiot? Everyone's waiting for you. Okay, this is boring. I'm sorry, but I smell in the back. I don't know what it said. Right. Let's hurry before it gets dark. Yeah. Where the fuck are you going? Oh. You, take care now, alright? What the fuck were you thinking, man? You scared the living shit on me. Let's get the fuck get in. Is there a button to turn the fucking... Never mind. Bro, what are you doing? We're gonna take the soccer ball with us. We need it. Really? You can't take a freaking ball. Why is there chickens on the road? Wait. Flip flop. Someone lost something. Good to go? Come on, man. What are you waiting for? Get in the car already. Yeah, come on. You walk so fucking slow. Get in. Why can't I get in first? Well, oh. I was about to be like, what the fuck? Ooh. It doesn't end. Stellar Paradise. Stella Arcade Paradise. You think there'll still be any machines working in there, man? I miss playing Street Fighter on those things. Worldcom is better. Just so you know, Stellar Arcade Paradise shut down after a fire in the Lasertag arena that led to the death of two kids. Really breaking into the most morbid place possible. As long as the kids' bodies um don't get up and call the police to shut down our party, I'm good. Okay. What an idiot. This is a lot of talking. What a lame joke. You're officially the dumbest psychopath in history of humanity. And you're still a virgin. You can go fuck yourself, man. Alright, everyone, let's chill out. We're about to throw the best Halloween party this time. Sure, man, it's 1988. Yeah, that's all they did back then. People love a good horror story. And another thing, this place is in the middle of nowhere, so no one's gonna bother us. Yeah, that's a horrible thing during a horror movie scenario. If you're in the middle of nowhere, that means you're fucked. Is that it? Wow. Alright then. That was fucking horror movie. I mean, laser tag. If I could fucking find my mouse. What the fuck? What the hell happened to my mouse? So, yeah. That was a quick video, I guess. And, yeah, that's pretty much about it. See you.